In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize pages in PDF Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. First, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Any platform works the same here. Once the file is open, head to the Tools view. In the Tools catalog, look for Print Production. This workspace contains professional page controls, and it's where Acrobat keeps the resizing options we need. Click Print Production to open its toolbar, then choose Set Page Boxes. The Set Page Boxes dialog is the control center for page size and margins. You'll see a section labeled Change Page Size. If you want a common paper size, open the preset menu and pick one, such as letter, legal, or A4. Acrobat will use the exact dimensions for that standard. If you need something specific, for example, a square page for a booklet, choose Custom and enter the width and height you want. You can type values in inches, millimeters, or points. Just include the unit abbreviation if you're changing units. A quick note on expectations. Changing the page size adjusts the page boxes and can affect how content sits on the page. If you reduce the size dramatically, some edges may be cropped or appear closer to the margins. Increasing the size can add white space around existing content. This is normal behavior and is why the margin and offset controls are helpful. Next, decide where to apply the change. In the Apply to area, you can target all pages if the whole document should match, or specify a page range, like 2 to 5, 7, 9 to 12, if only certain pages need resizing. This keeps front matter or inserts at their intended sizes while you modify the rest. Before confirming, review the margin controls, sometimes called margins or offsets. These let you add space around content or shift the page box inward to trim edges. Increasing top, bottom, left, or right margins can help center content on the new page size or create room for binding. Offsets let you nudge the content area to better align with the new dimensions. Take a moment to preview the changes in the thumbnail area so you know how the page will look. When everything looks right, click OK to apply the new page size. Acrobat will process the selected pages and return you to the document with the updated dimensions in place. If you're preparing files for print, double-check the result by opening the Page Thumbnails pane and scanning a few pages to confirm consistency. If something feels off, you can reopen Set Page Boxes and adjust the size or margins again. That's all there is to it. Quick, precise, and fully controlled inside Acrobat Pro DC.